What is up, Bird Getters? Today is the day of the October Fest of the RGB show off. Yesterday, when I was about to wash the truck, it started raining, so I wasn't able to wash the truck. So right now it's still dirty. Just woke up like at 6:30, about to start washing the truck. Got everything over here, everything I'm gonna be using and stuff. First, I'm gonna use the power washer for all the dirt that's on the tires because it's been muddy recently. So the truck is really dirty. So we're about to start getting a wash for the show. So stay tuned. You already know. Follow the social media and all that in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe. You already know what to do. Hopefully you guys like today's video. Lastly, get that bread as always. You already know. Stay tuned. Be right back. I just woke up. I'm still a little tired. So let's see how clean we can get the truck. Ready for the show. So see ya.
Trae todo el día mareado. quien me sacó de pobre